Dear students, today I will focus on simple past tense, past perfects. Give attention, please. I have seen students writing beautiful essays, beautiful applications, letters, question answers. They use beautiful language. It pleases to every reader, so to say. What happens? Sometimes I have seen students using, I had gone yesterday, he had died last month, he had left the place 6 months ago. These are totally grammatically incorrect. So, where to use simple past and where to use past perfect, there are certain rules which I have used today in a very new way, that is my own concoction. Suppose I am telling you, in every type of examination, questions on simple past or past simple or past indefinite comes, where most of the students, without knowing the rules, become unable to answer the question in a proper manner. Suppose I am telling you, come to the board and see, I have told you that is simple past or past simple or past indefinite. These simple past or past simple, past indefinite, three names are there. You remember these names. Sometimes it is called preterite tense, means past tense. Past tense means preterite tense. Wherever you find ALYY, simple rule is that whenever you find ego, A, last L, year Y and yesterday Y, simply use simply past. Simple past you have to remember. That is your subject plus V2. Go, went is the simple past or V2. Eat, ate. Ate is the simple past or V2. Write, wrote, V2. Teach, taught, V2. Suppose here is a sentence I have just written here. He dash a month ago. Ago is there. Within brackets, had died, died. So first use your rule of elimination, ROE. Rule of elimination. Eliminate the erroneous one, eliminate the incorrect one, so had died won't be there, because ego is there, or last is there, or year is there, or yesterday is there. So died is the correct answer. Now, in another way, I have just given one sentence and I will ask you to correct the error. There is one grammatical error. I had met him yesterday. So, had met is there. Is it applicable or is it true or is it right to use past perfect in a sentence where yesterday is there, where ago is there, where last is there? No. So, the correct answer is met. Once again, you remember, whenever you find ago, last, yesterday and year, just close your eyes and use simple past or V2 form. So write them now, then I will teach you some rules on past perfect. Write them down now. Now come to past perfect. Past perfect are another name, that is called perfect or past in the past. In past perfect tense, there are two actions, that is previous action or before action and subsequent action or after action. So the formula is ABB, that is after A, before B, by the time B. Whenever you find ABB, after, before, by the time, you use past perfect or perfect or past in the past. Suppose here I dash before he came, before it is here. So option is had gone, went and have gone. Use rule of elimination, I have told you. Rule of elimination, eliminate, simple past will not be, present perfect will not be, so past perfect will be there. Past perfect means past plus past participle or had plus V3. So had gone is the correct answer here. So I have told you that previous action always takes past perfect and subsequent action always takes simple past. I had gone before he came. Suppose he came at 4 o'clock and I had left before that time. Suppose I left the place at 3 o'clock. So in previous actions we have to use past perfect, and in order to simplify the rubric or rule, whenever you find after, before, by the time, you use past perfect. Suppose one sentence I'm just writing here, you just write them down. I guess before he came, had gone is correct answer, what is incorrect, had gone is here, previous action and subsequent action, you write them down. And here I am telling all about previous action. I posted it after I dash it. I wrote the letter, suppose within bracket, simple write is there. I wrote a letter at 8 a.m. in the morning. So writing part is completed. Then I have to go to the post office to post it. So I had written, then I posted it at 9 o'clock. First I wrote, then I posted. If we combine it within after, it will be I posted it after I had written. If I posted it, I wrote a letter, used before. I had written the letter before I posted it. It is something. Another question may be by the time. I am telling you by the time Gandhi died. Gandhi died in the year 1948. India got independence in 1947. So by the time Gandhi died, India dashed her freedom. Dash her freedom, that is your previous action. So India had got her freedom by the time Gandhi died. So you just write them down and remember once again I am telling, for simple past use, remember ALYY, this is my own creation. ABB for past perfect or perfect or past in the part, that is my own creation. You write them. Suppose you take a sentence, so far as simple past is concerned, ago. I dash him, you frame 10 sentences for good practice. I dash him 6 months ago, within bracket met is there. He dashed 6 months ago, within bracket died. I dashed him last night. So 10 sentences to practice, revise 3 times, and you see that simple past will be clearer. Then come to remember that ABB formula and frame 10 sentences and practice, talk with your friends and with your family members, and so what will happen? Because I have seen most people use the sentence, he had gone yesterday. No, that is incorrect. You students remember, because yesterday is there, it will be he went yesterday, he had gone yesterday is incorrect sentence. Many people, many students, I find they use that he had died last night. No, he died last night. I think this video must make you clearer so far as your simple past and past perfect is concerned. Write them down, and I have also given some few questions. You answer them and be satisfied. Share it and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.